Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Samna's Cooking. Today we're going to make a herbal tea which we commonly use in our family when we have colds, flus or gastric issues. Add all the ingredients to 3 cups of water, mix well and then let it boil until it reduces to half of the original. So we had 3 cups originally, so we're going to let it reduce down to 1.5 cups. Once the amount is reduced, put the lid on for a few minutes and then your tea is ready to serve. Don't forget to sieve the tea and then you can add some fresh lemon and honey to sweeten. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you.